I've made well over $2,000 this week in completely passive income from the Temu affiliate program. And I am not special. If you had the information that I had, you could literally do the exact same thing that I did. Using my affiliate marketing business, I'm able to travel the world, buy a house, and provide for my friends and family. This guide is literally everything that I know about the Temu affiliate program condensed into one video. It's the exact kind of thing I wish that I watched when I first got started, because I know that there's a ton of affiliate marketing videos that are just all fluff, all wastes of time, that literally are just completely useless and don't teach you any actual real methods. Fortunately for you, this video is the exception. I'm breaking down everything that I know about it into this video so you can get started with affiliate marketing today on Temu. And you should be able to do exactly what I was able to do, because I've had dozens of students personally be able to replicate my success just because they have the information that I know. And all that information is going to be in this video. So with that all being said, let's get right into it. So going ahead and checking out my screen share, as you guys can see right here, I currently have $400 and I have from this account withdrawn a total of $50,000. In the last month, I have done 900 bucks from this account, and I have multiple different Temu accounts, and the vast majority of that is coming from download reward. Now, the reason why Temu is one of my favorite affiliate programs ever, and this is why I recommend it to people inside of the Freedom Blueprint, is because of the $5 download reward, meaning that if you just get somebody to download Temu and that's it, you get paid $5. And if you go back to the data center, you guys can see right here that I usually get a significant amount of the money that I make from Temu from download rewards. Even though the order commission on top of that is also really good, because you get a 30% commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral of them downloading the app. Now, if you guys aren't already signed up to the Temu affiliate program, I'm gonna leave a link to it in the description down below. But a couple of things to mention about the Temu affiliate program that I really like that no other affiliate program has. One of them is influencer. So basically how this works is that you can pick any Temu program here, and then you can record a video just like this and get paid a set amount. So you can record a video like this, and as long as it gets 100 views on a short, which if your video is like half decent, it's guaranteed, you'll get paid 250 bucks, which you can withdraw into PayPal just for that. And then there's also a bunch of other campaigns here as well that you can join, such as this one where you can review products from Temu, and then you'll also get paid a set amount for them, and a lot more. Another thing to mention about Temu, and this is how I make the majority of my money from Temu, is by selecting items and then recommending them to clients inside of some kind of community. So the way that I do this is through what I call the affiliate funnel system. And this is what I teach inside of the Freedom Blueprint, which if you guys want to join the waitlist for the Freedom Blueprint, we're opening up slots very, very soon. We have students in there that have built lifelong financial freedom from the blueprint, where I will sit down with them personally and coach them how to create an affiliate offer that actually converts, unlike any of this Pinterest crap that you see. And if that sounds interesting, I'm gonna have a link to join the waitlist in the description. But what I would recommend you do is I would recommend creating a spreadsheet like this. Like this is a big spreadsheet that I have, for example, where I have a bunch of Temu products listed. And then how it works is that anybody who goes to this spreadsheet clicks on this click me right here, and then they click on that and they're redirected to Temu. And keep in mind, guys, I make money in two different ways from this. So I make money first off when I have them actually buy the thing. So let's say I have a link to this ab trainer machine. I get money from when they buy this ab workout machine. I get about 20 bucks. And then I also get paid an additional $5 for them to just download the app. Meaning that no matter what, guys, I am guaranteed to make money. This is why Temu affiliate marketing is so powerful, because no other affiliate program allows you to leverage a solution like this. There are other affiliate programs that allow you to do different things, such as ones that have reoccurring revenue in the form of subscriptions. I talk about those inside of the Freedom Blueprint, but for Temu specifically, this is really, really good, and anybody can tap into this method. So basically all you have to do is just create videos like these, where people are on here buying the weirdest Temu products or testing Temu versus Wish products, and then just have links to a spreadsheet in the description for those products. And then also what you can do on top of that is have a link inside of your description for just your sign up offer. And part of the reason why the sign up offer is so powerful is because when somebody signs up with this Temu link, they get a massive coupon. For example, if you sign up with this Temu coupon bundle right here, you get a $100 coupon bundle. Or if you install Temu using this free gift link, you get a free gift just for downloading Temu. So you could even make videos like this about Temu coupon codes. You guys can see there's a bunch of videos right here about that. Like this video right here of this lady that got 70,000 views where she's promoting her Temu coupon code. As you guys can see, she's showing that the promo code saves her a bunch of money. And then she shows exactly how to get the code. And the easiest way to get the code is just to tell the person to search for your affiliate code inside of the Temu app. You can find that code right here. It says code ORD52476. And there is a huge amount of potential in this market. Temu is still growing. A lot of people think that it's dead, but it's really not. Their profits are higher than ever and their revenue is more than it's ever been. Plus, people keep coming back to Temu because at this point, they know that it's a reliable place to get cheap Chinese stuff, meaning that there is no better time to get started with this method today. Now, keep in mind, guys, if you want specific one-on-one help with your Temu affiliate program venture or your other affiliate program venture, go ahead and feel free to join the Freedom waitlist in the description down below. So make sure also to sign up to Temu's affiliate program using the link in the description. When you guys do that, you'll get a free $2 cash bonus just for doing that. Also, feel free to go ahead and comment down below any questions that you might have for me. And with that all being said, guys, that is going to be the end of today's video. If you guys want more videos like this where I'm jam-packing you full of valuable information, I put so much free game in this video, guys, it's actually kind of crazy. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel to tell YouTube that you want more videos just like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you have a good day. Bye.